Hello friends, we are starting our organized self-employment ministry 46th session. We are doing our session from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, from room number 1 to 6. I have made Labour Party of India with fist of the hand, and I have written the book Truth Only Trumps, ISBN 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03/CUL. The basic concept behind this is that we should constitutionally give constitutional validity to income, work, educational certificate and certain faith, as we have given our thought the validity and we have got the vote bank, because by thought we are having our vote and we are choosing our representative. But my thinking is to link our income work in that. So first of all, we are, as Labour Party of India tradition is and our system is of Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, teaching room number 1 to 6 Shiv Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir and 175 crore shadow Shiv Shakti Mandir. Room number 2 Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow document and 175 crore Jyotir Mandir shadow documents. Then Brahma Saraswati Puran, 12 Jyotir spiritual Hindu ISBN certificate and 12 materialistic Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna winner ISBN book of Hindus, and 175 crore Hindu ISBN certificate starting from my tradition Truth Only Terms 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03/CUL, Truth Only Terms book. Room number 4 Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, and 12 shadow document of Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir and 175 crore shadow document of Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir and 12 Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Hindu woman materialistic book certified, which has got Bharat Ratna and Padam Shri, these women book. And room number 5 Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit, North, South, East, West, Central India Hindu Varshkrit, as we are spread in 120 crore in different families, and 18 Puranas, 4 Vedas and 108 Upanishad ISBN certificate, as I have started this Labour Party of India with fist of the hand. And room number 5 the Clement Attlee document, which is coming for the self government, and the 15-member committee made by him for the interim government between 2nd September to 15 August 1947, and after that 15 August to 26 November 1949, 299 members, and 26 January 1951 Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then I am putting below that 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan with documents by signing. Rashtrapati Bhavan of Kailash Dham, that is welfare power. Rashtrapati Bhavan of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krish Radha, Amita Vilasa, that is Vaikunth Rashtrapati Bhavan. Kshir Sagar Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Rashtrapati Bhavan of Brahma Saraswati, that is Law Education Rashtrapati Bhavan, both spiritual and the materialistic. Then Rashtrapati Bhavan of the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, as Hindu women will be put in this Rashtrapati Bhavan, as all are getting self-employment government job by this constitutional validity system. All Hindu women will be in the Rashtrapati Bhavan number 4, and room number 4 room number 5 each United Varshkrit Rashtrapati Bhavan as Truth and Non-Violence, and room number 5 Government Rashtrapati Bhavan, all linked to 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan. Similarly, in the Governor House setup we can take and link to the main Governor House 26 January 1950, because it is the second phase of the requirement which we are putting to our 120 crore Hindu population, because we have gone through the 26 January 1950 onwards our national movement, and we are not expecting anything from the government. We all are in the private sector, but my thinking is that still we have the government interference. Our police station is linked, our army is linked, our emotion is linked, our father and mother are working in government servant, so we can make. So we are worshipping first of all with the folded hand Aarti, as we are starting our organized self-employment ministry 46 session, individually 8,000 session, and in the dual form 15,000 session, and originally it is 45th session of organized self-employment ministry by life. So on that basis, putting 20 crore Aadhaar card to each, and giving the respect to all professionalism, political respects. As political manager, we all political party in uniform manner we are presenting this under the guidance of Labour Party of India with fist of the hand, that uniform constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate should come. This is the second phase, because we are taking this issue from 31st August 2001, and this is the 21st year of the Labour Party of India organized self-employment ministry on this earth, on which it is moving on the organized path. Second, by the document signing method, we are accepting that we are the sons and daughter of 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is linked to 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan. We are the sons and daughters of 6 Governor House, which is linked to one Governor House, that is 26 January 1950. Because we are, my followers is thinking that government interference can be there, because I have made a organized principle, that is right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain caste, certain fiscal credits showing to certain ministry of its fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, and there should be 3 budget system, annual budget 1 aid ministry we have, railway budget 1 ministry we have, and organized self-employment ministry and budget under the guidance of Amit Kumar Jha with uniform principle. And we as a political party uniform member of the organized public opinion, we will look after as a political manager in different political party. As Labour Party political manager, I am trying to explain the concept. Similarly, this is the uniform fiscal credit table. Each political party, after signing of all the president political party, we can explain this, because we will sign agreement on that basis that uniform vote system is there. Everyone is knowing the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham contribution. On one principle, we are doing the politics, and every 5 years we are coming for the election of the representatives. Now the people forgets, because in one area election is going on, other area election. Nationally news is coming, election is going on in Tamil Nadu, or election is going on in Uttar Pradesh, or election is going on in Bihar, or election is going on in West Bengal. But universally we are not coming. By this method we are universally attached, because by the political manager system we can have the meeting of the voter, because we will give the constitutional validity on income, work, educational service. It is not like that ki Labour Party will take the all vote. All political party in democratic 9-7 national political party and all the regional party, all will have the voting share, because as they are working, it is that I have been influenced, because I am influenced by their work. Only thing my political party and organized self-employment ministry which I want to put for the national level is that it will be giving a status to each voter that he is a government servant, he is a self-employed government servant, and the work we are providing as a MP and MLA and political parties, because respect we are taking. Before 31st August 1946, we politicians, we did not took any money for the work, and Swatanta Senani, the freedom fighter, were given pension. But now what is there? The status is required that we are political manager, we are organized self-employed who is working in that, and the toppers of our are representing MLAs and MPs. Those who have topped the list, they are representing. In lieu of that, because market is also free, because by the globalization, liberalization and privatization system, market is also free and the politicians are also free. We are only signaturing that we are the sons and daughters of the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And 6 unborn family is united as a 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan or 6 governor house is united to the 1 governor house and 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan, 26 January 1950, which our ancestor has made. And we are organizing a national path of organized self-employment ministry by Glorious. What we did not ask before 31st August 1946, that politicians are also earning, and there is time that we have to recognize that we are political managers, because the validity of constitution has not come and the ministry has not been formed. Organized self-employment ministry has not been formed, and our woman has not reached to room Rashtrapati Bhavan number 4, which is linked to 26 January 1950. Therefore, it is acknowledged that we as a struggler politicians are not earning, and our father mother property we are using. It is not so. A politician thinks from the heart, and according to that they try to portray. But our test is after 5 years. Try to understand the point. In 5 years, people is not sitting, they are earning, but by this system per month people will earn, because we will try to set it on the constitutional validity on income worth. If the negotiation will work out, each political party president will sign automatically. We will start following this principle that as we are the sons of the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And the rays are going to Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And according to the research of Labour Party of India, fist of the hand, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, Truth Only Trumps book, ISBN 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03, and room number 126, which I am explaining. All our representatives are present, and automatically gazetted officers and we all organized self-employed workers are present. So automatically by signing we will become political managers in different political party with the coat pen tie method, and by the method of the constitutional validity on income work educational certificate. Our link will be to 750 MPs into 6, 4,500 families, and 4,500 MLAs into 6, 27,000 state national families all over India who are all over India working. And constitutional validity will provide us self-employment government job. And by whom effort? Our forefathers who never asked that 31st August before 1956, before doing the session, that we have invested our money. At that time idealistic form was there. But what is there? Society is requiring some organized hand, and that organized hand can come from the government, because government is the owner of 130 crore population. In this system we have the representatives of 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan all over India, and they are doing aartis and all different types of things. We will take the signature and automatically validity will give us the Trishul and Vermilion mark, the Chakra and Vermilion mark, the Kamandal and Vermilion mark, the Trinetra and Vermilion mark, the book and the Vermilion mark, the government stamp and the Vermilion mark, and we will have the double salary, because one our political manager has validated and we all are in uniform form as we are getting a registration from the election commission of India. That is, now I have tried to make self funding, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits over election commission of India. So when we are validating from the election commission of India, that is self funding, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits over election commission of India, we are signing the document that we are the sons of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and Government Dham. All are 100% owner of us. But on the validity level for the political materialistic form, because spiritually all Dham is sufficient to manage us. But materialistically we are moving in a democratic society where our mouth is open. We can abuse each other, we can pull each other to the court, to the Supreme Court, but we all respect Supreme Court verdict. We all respect Constitution of India, because our seniors 30,000 per month above are looking us, and we can become any types of thinking, but our internal heart, the rays of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham is in our heart. Try to understand the point, that we are acknowledging that in those days 31st August 1946 our politician did not ask money, but now Labour Party of India is telling that we will work and we will also give earning, so that earning, on that basis we will make political managers meeting with the citizen of India, and in this way 6-month meeting we can have a judgment. We all political party will have our representative people in all state, village, and we have a collaboration that we have done, and by contributing each other we can generate that we are giving per month as our senior, those who are moving in the national path and those who have been elected. After 5 years again election will be there, so they are also working. One equilibrium point we will keep, 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. So 30,000 per month above, automatically they are unique, because if we are able to give income tax according to the requirements of the government, that means our earning standard is high. 6 type of profession are room number 1 to 6. One is a devoted politician who are in the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha. One is a devoted industrialist. They are in the globalization, liberalization and privatization. They are in touch with the multinational corporation of the world, and their standard is very high, and their comparison is with the Bill Gates and the Amazon and different types of companies, owners, Star Plus and these types of companies who are billionaires and trillionaires, and we are in touch with them, representatives. And similarly educationists, our lawyers, our Hindu scientists, like the white revolution, green revolutions, and our PSLV revolution, scientific revolution, and the ISRO revolution, which we have made, and we have become self-reliant. They are 100% devoted. Our COVID medicine which our Hindu scientists has prepared, so we have become self-reliant. So these types of scientists are working devotedly according to the framework what they have adopted in their profession. Similarly, our women, the Hindu Mandir is continuously being made by the Matarani Bhakta and the materialistic women. They are continuously working in this sector, and the truth and non-violence, they are vehemently, like me, who is working day and night with the Labour Party of India for making organized self-employment ministry, and the government 100% committed. We all are sons of one 1950 by Amiteshwar Jha. I am Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha. Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973 So Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism, I am trying to explain. And by the organized worship, we are collecting the organized, those who are signaturing, like those who are understanding the political managership, because per month fiscal credit salary, if we are adopting this uniform method, if we are getting 10 paisa only, or if we are giving 1 rupees only, we can put self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing finance commission, because 16% path, because 100% path I have tried to make. 16% path is given by the 100% devoted politician. who before 1930 before 31st August 1940 they have contributed money, but now the validity has gone. Only representing the parliament is not contributing, because general people is not accepting that politicians are working. And in this way, when we will take signature of the 16%, 66% of the politician work, on which salary getting 16.66%, Hindu industrialist work, on which salary is getting 16.66%, educationist, Hindu scientist, Hindu lawyers work, on which our law is safeguard, 16.66%, Hindu woman who is serving us as sister-in-law, mother, daughter, grandmother, and 16.66% truth, and 16.66% government workers who are 24/7 working, under dialing, and they are coming. So we are signaturing 6 and surrendering it to the 26 1950 in the and Governor House and President House to the Prime Minister and 750 MPs. So what it is coming? Ki we are organized worker and our footpath is organized. Each and every person is organized by Amiteshwarism. And for the calling 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, it is Sab Rashtrapati Bhavan. Shiv, that is welfare, 4 generation. Parvati, that is power, 4 generation. Vishnu, that is Prabhu, that is Ram, that is Krishna, that is Amit, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. Lakshmi, that is Sita, that is Radha, that is Abhilasa, that is money, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. Brahma, that is law, that is Chaturanand, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. Saraswati, that is Veena Pustak Dharani, that is Gyan, that is education, 4 generation Rashtrapati. Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is Durga, Mahikdanam Bardani, 4 that is family power, Rashtrapati, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and non-veto husband, that is Shiva, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. And the each united Varshkrit, that is Surya, Chandrama, Navagrah, Dhanvantari, Kuber, Dhruv, and all the Hindu Varshkrit god and goddess, Gram Devta, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Sachi, the all the Aditi, different types of goddess of Hindus. Chhat, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is truth saviors. And the government, that is the time husband, Hindu time husband, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and she government, Hindu she government, that is the time wife, Hindu, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan. So we all are mixed up, and in nationally we are coming in 6th form. Try to understand the point. And we are giving validity by the signature, because we will signature 6th place, 16.66 into 6. So accepting the validity that the politician has worked day and night, and in lieu of that 100% employment is coming. So where from the money is coming? We all politician, we all industrialists, we all educationists, we all women, we all truth savior, and we all government, and in democratic way, because everyone mouth is there, but by signature we will try to be controlled, because we have to understand that the salary is given, we are giving, though the optional work is there, but responsibility there. As our mother father, for mother father we have responsibility, so on document mother father we will have the responsibility. Kailasdam, Vaikundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, Dam, each united god and goddess, Dam, and government Dam. That in times of emergency, the work and the table has been always with us, and with infinite population, because by this Amit Kumar Jhaism and Amiteshwar Jhaism from 31st August 2001 and in 6 unborn fam 16 February 2002, I am working on this concept, and I am 100% confirmed that it is possible. What is there? Our uniform signature is required, because no vote bank is going to be affected. Means the any national party political vote bank is not going to be affected, and neither any industrialist or anyone money is going to be affected. And in lieu of that, we are getting self-employed, and double salary. Double salary is given because it is uniform form, like the railway ticket, it is uniform. A value has been fixed of the illiterate chambers, signature known chamber, 5th pass chamber, 8th pass chambers, 10th pass chambers, 12th pass chambers, graduation pass chamber, post graduation pass chamber, MPhil pass chambers, delayed pass chambers, and the PhD pass chamber and double PhD pass chambers. Job sectors, nothing effect is there. Everyone is working in job. Double work, and here optional only. Only we have to tell to the organized self-employment accountant who is linked to Chief Minister and 700 and 4,500 MLAs and Prime Minister who is linked to 750 MPs. That accountant, that this is my certificate and this is my work and this is my age, and I am working in this private sector, and by this self-employment government job we are becoming, and we are the sons and daughters of the Kailasdam, Kundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, and in organized worship we are doing, so that the industrialists, the politician, the educationists, the lawyers, the Hindu scientists, the editor, Hindu editors, and the women and the truth and non-violence and government, all are respected with the form of worshipping Pushpanjali Artik to the Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power of Vishnu Lakshmi, Prabhu Lakshmi, that is Ram Sita, Krishna, Radha, Amit, Ablasa, Brahma Saraswati, that is Chaturanand, and Veena Pustak Dharani, that is law education, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, and non-veto husband, that is Durga, and non-veto husband Shiva, and each united worshipped god and goddess, that is each united worshipped god and goddess, Surya Chandra Navagrana, one pair we will take, and the Bharat Mata and Bharat Mata, which has been inspiring us, and we are moving above 30,000 per month earner. What will be the equilibrium point? It will be decided with the time, because inflation, deflation, boom and depression, it depends on the time, because when we started our planning, it was 33 crore, we made hum do hamare do, but what happened, we have reached to 120 crore, and 110 crore it was in 2010, and now it is 2021, and it can be 120 to 130 crore, and work problem is like that only. Private sector we are working, the efficiency and thing is required, but here in this system, what I am teaching, if 1 rupees is being given by the government, it is organized one. We can go to the court that I am educated graduate, I am getting 1 rupee salary, so why you have cut my salary? Because validity is given, we political party president with uniform, because no vote bank is coming, and no vote bank is effective. Labour Party is not taking any vote bank, anyone is not to be feared. I am only trying to teach that by the work which we did not do on 31st August 1946, that the money which we invested and the work we are doing in the parliament, on that uniform work, 750s and 4,500 MLAs, in a uniform work, if they are signaturing that 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below, 16.66% is the devoted politicians who is coming up in this society, and he is making organized setup. Organized setup in the sense that we are knowing Kailasdam, Vaikundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham, sons and daughters. We are 6 unborn sons and daughters, and the second generation is of Ganesh, Skand, Kartikeya, Hanumanji, Vishnu Avatar, government sons. But first generation I am taking because it is, when we are starting, we try to take the human statue as Gandhism. The idealism we have from the Gandhism. Amiteshwarism is only introducing the signaturism on the basis of constitutional validity on income work, because I am the second generation. First generation was high level idealistic, where we thought of idealism. But what is there? When we are doing PhD, delete and other types of thing, idealism is lost. I am not telling to the 30% above earner, because already they have achieved. But what is there for the beginner and the constant earner? One support that yes, this is my permanent. Any eventuality cannot come in that. And 750 into 6, 4,500 national family is attached. And then that 4,500 into 6, 27,000 national family attached. Similarly, panchayat and other types of families are attached. So we have to understand that by the document method, when we are signaturing, what will happen? we will be uniformly, and we will have the responsibility, because political managers of all the political party will sit in the organized self-employment ministry one day. Like we can keep that, yes, we are giving money, any problem is coming or not, all the political party in uniform way, Labour Party and other political party member can sit, because now the system has changed. Every work is being shown that we are doing work. So automatically 6 month we can also show the work, because the activeness, and on that part we can also make, like the women's of India can be put in the Parvati Rashtrapati Bhavan, 4 generation Parvati, that is power, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, Lakshmi, that is Sita, that is Radha, that is Avilasa, that is money, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, Saraswati, that is Gyan, that is education, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Adi Shakti Jagadamba, that is Durga, that is Mahik Danam Mardani, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and that is family, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and truth saviors, that is Varshkriti, Chhati Mata, and the Shitla, and Aditi, and the various types of goddess, Sachi, all types of goddess, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the Bharat Mata, 4 generation Rashtrapati Bhavan, because Hindus have its fantasy, and we are 120 crore population, and we all are linked to the room number 1 to 6 of Sharadapur, Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407 by the signature method. Because in democracy, by the signature method, and 10 rupees, 1 rupees, 2 rupees per month is coming, and we can save by doing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday fast. Automatically 1 rupees per if we are coming, if 5 paisa we are earning, so if 5 per day, so 5 paisa we are saving for 3 days, so 15 paisa we have saved. And in the organized self-employment ministry, all the banks will give that facility, that yes, the fiscal credit is of 1 rupees, so 1 rupees on that loan we can get 10 paisa, 20 paisa, 30 paisa. So at the time of emergency we can do it, and individually we are giving. We will keep the fiscal credit sharp low, 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, as our as I have put the 30,000 per month. It has not come like that. When Pandit Nehru took the interim government in on the 2nd September 1946, by coming of that act of the Organized Self-Employment Ministry of Labour Party of India, Clement Attlee from the Britain, at that time 20 rupees per month earner was the high society earner in the society. What is today 30,000 per month? In those days it was 20, but as Nehru took as the Prime Minister, he automatically it came to 30 rupees per month, and now it is 30,000 per month. Means if we are 30,000 per month earner and giving taxes, automatically that means the position is high. That means if we, but here I am trying to put per every year we will check strictly, so that it level is there, so automatically pressure is there. So on that basis the validity will come, and everyone can show self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal, and the validity will give that even we are doing in different, like above 30,000 any politician is doing any work, no effect will be there, because 1 paisa or 2 paisa or 5 paisa what the politician will signature under the guidance of Labour Party of India, each person is getting, and 16% work validity is being taken, because 100% everyone is working, 100% industrialist is also working, 100% politician is also working, 100% educationist is also working, 100% Hindu scientist is also working, 100% editor is also working, 100% lawyer is also working, 100% woman is also working, 100% truth and non-violence is also working, 100% government is also working, everyone is 100% working. But where we are stopping, we have to make a stoppage point, 30,000 per month above earner, 30,000 per month below earner, everyone is doing everything. But by the signature method, the rays are coming from the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, each united God and from government Dham. The book Shiv Puran, 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir. The book Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, 175 crore Vishnu Puran, and 175 crore Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna Radha Mandir. The book Brahma Saraswati, 12 spiritual books of Hinduvad and 12 materialistic book of the Hinduvad, Bharat Ratna books, and the Hindu Nobel Prize winner who have lived in India and died here, and 175 crore Hindu ISBN certificate. The first from the Truth Only Terms, 81901860 copyright number 954, and 175 crore ISBN certificate of Brahma Saraswati. There is the reflection of our law and education. Then the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, 12 Jyotin Mandir and 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir. And then materialistic Bharat Ratna and Padam Shri winner woman, whose book ISBN certificate we are putting as the Adi Shakti Jagdamba and non-veto husband. And each united God and Goddess. The truth and non-violence. ISBN certificate 12 Varshkrit, Midla Varshkrit and all the Varshkrit, and 12 ISBN, the truth saviors of Hindus who have been contributing in ISBN, Padam Shri and different types of award in the state and all the national level. And the governmenters, the toppers who have been working day and night. Like photo election ID card was made, the white revolution has been done, green revolution has been done. So automatically government employees are working. Our PSLV has been made, our Pokhran has been made, our Doordarshan has been made, our telephone Mahanagar Nigam has been made. Means day and night Hindus have worked on that and they have understood the concept and they have done in this. So in this way, by the signature method, 6 rays are coming. We have not acknowledged and we are organized worshipping on the validity of government, Trishul, Vermilion mark, the representing Shiv Parvati welfare program. Chakra Vermilion mark, representing Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha, Amitabh. Kamandal Vermilion mark, Brahma, Saraswati, law education, representing the Trinetra Vermilion mark, the Shiva and the Trinetra and the non-veto husband Shiva, and the book Vermilion mark, Hindu Varshkrit, truth saviors, and the government stamp Vermilion mark, representing the Hindu government. So automatically we are, everyone is knowing what government servant, everyone is whom to vote, whom to not to vote. We are acknowledging by the signature. 16% we have contributed. We as a politician has contributed 1 rupees or 2 rupees, what we have fixed 12 month we are giving to each citizen of India. And no one can tell. In political meeting we can tell, political manager meeting of all the political party with Labour Party of India on the table. At the organized self-employment ministry we will keep 6 months. All the families who are taking money, they will come and we will glad them according to our money, according to our property. We can make a packet, we can make a t-shirt that this political party A, political party B, political party B, that we have worked. 16.66% of is of industry, 16.66% is of education, 16.66% is of female, 16.66% is of truth and non-violence, 16.66% is of government. So automatically it is in the control of national political parties. So by this concept, by Amitvad, by Amiteshwar Jhaism and by Amit Kumar Jhaism, what we are creating? We are creating self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing as government validity. And each one is getting work and 1 rupees, 2 rupees, and automatically by validity we can go to the court and we are understanding. And the teaching automatically we are by the framework of organized self-employment ministry and truth only terms. And expert can easily teach. Automatically we will be able to form organized self-employment ministry. And what will happen? 30,000 per month above, 70% will understand how we have to speak, how we have to move, because it is fixed. Husband of Shiv, Parvati is Shiv, welfare and power. Husband of the Lakshmi, he is Vishnu, that is life. Husband of Sita is Ram, fixed. Husband of Radha is Krishna, fixed. Husband of Abhilasha is Amit, fixed. So we have to understand the fixed system, and by the document system. Husband of the Brahmani is Brahma, we have to fix law and education. Husband of the Durga is non-veto husband Shiva, we have to understand. The husband of Varshkriteshwari is Varshkrit, we have to understand. The husband of Bharat Pita, husband of Bharat Mata is Bharat Pita, we have to understand. Means we have to understand that 33 to 120 crore we have not become like that. We have to put the constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate. And this time we have to understand that idealistic work will be signature. 31st August 1946 we put the idealistic, and in the parliament we have made the laws, and thousands of laws made by the organized self-employment ministry. 1 rupees we will give, we will take the signature. 16% is of devoted politicians who has worked day and night, and 1 rupees we are getting on that. 750 MPs and 4,500. 16% is of our industrial brothers. Day and night they have worked hard. 16% is of educationists, Hindu scientists. They have worked. Hindu lawyers, Hindu editors. They have worked day and night. 16% is of the Hindu women. They have worked day and night. 16% is of truth and non-violence. 16%, 66% is of government. And on that point, Amit Kumar Jhaism, Amiteshwarjism we have made. Now with this, I am concluding my organized self-employment ministry 46th session with the system of the Labour Party of India, room number 126, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973601717. Truth only terms 8190186026, copyright number 954/03/COL, with organized worship 31st August to 11th September and 16th February to 26th February, with 6 pair of the Murti and then worshipping Aarti. And room number 1, Shiv Puran 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow document and 175 crore shadow document. Room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran 12 shadow document of Vishnu Lakshmi and 175 crore shadow document of Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir, Amita Vilasa Mandir. 112 spiritual book of Brahma Saraswati, Hindu spiritual book, and 12 the materialistic book, Bharat Ratna and Nobel Prize winners who have lived here and died here in India, their books. And with the Truth Only Terms 81901860, copyright number 954, Truth Only Terms book of Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar Jha. And the room number 4, the Adi Shakti Jagadamba 12 shadow document of Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir and 175 crore shadow documents of the Adi Shakti Jagadamba and 12 materialistic shadow ISBN of the Bharat Ratna winner and Padma Shri winner woman book and 175 crore books of women and the each united Varshkrit and goddess 12 Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit and all the Varshkrit north, south, east, west, and the 175 crore ISBN certificate and the Bharat 31st August 1946 Clement Italy document and the 15 member interim government and 299 member constitutional document and all the constitutional document and the Constitution of India, Parliament, Arbitration, Supreme Court, bureaucracy document, Pushpanjali Aarti, and ending with 20 crore in a family manner by the 1 point Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar Jha. On that, I am concluding this 46th session of organized self-employment ministry, that by truth and non-violence we can make organized self-employment ministry and we will get fiscal credit salary every month and we will be political manager and we will develop in organized manner. Thank you.